If you look at Indian cinema, in old Hindi films, the teacher's place was shown higher than the parents. But the form of modern cinema is different. Here, you will see in all big budget movies, if the actor or actress are studying in any school or college, then of course their teacher are shown to be stupid. And if it is a female teacher, then it is presented as an item girl. Even in the films like Three Idiots, Student of the Year, मैं हूं ना, कुछ कुछ होता है, मुन्ना भाई MBBS, यारियां एंड नशा, हरामखोर मोहब्बतें, these films there is no effort left to disrespect teachers. Like in the Golmaal, Ajay Devgan shown beating his teacher. Even in the best films like Three Idiots, teachers were shown only a cartoon character. In the film Andaz, Karisma harasses her teacher while rest of the teachers enjoy. At the same time, मैं हूं ना crossed the limit of shamelessness. Here I have talked about A-grade high-budget films only. Here I am not talking about B-grade films or web series, which is impossible to control today. Here, B-grade films or web series is not in the count. The most important aspect of presenting teacher as a fool is what the character of hero and actress can be glorified. In the process of glorifying the stars, the producer director play the ideals of our Guru Shishya tradition. We know, and they know it too, that no one is going to come forward to raise a finger on this issue because there is no personal attack on anyone. Today, we do not see the respect to the teachers in our children's that once we had during our school and colleges. The one reason for this lack of respect may be that in the olden times, when the majority of the population was illiterate, the teacher was the most educated people. Today, when overeducated person make fun of children's teachers' salary and degree in front of their children only, what picture will be drawn on the children's mind? Or it could be also that today the cost of education is measured by money. The rich have separate schools and poor have separates. Till the time Eklavya and Arjun sit together and read, the matter of equality will be spoiled. So, when a child realizes that the education he received is not from the grace of his teacher, but he has been brought from Papa's pocket, so the respect toward schools and teachers in that children's mind become suspicious. It is said that the literature is mirror of society. No one reads literature today. However, movies are all watched. So it can be said that the teachers who are being made fun of in films are true taken from the ground of reality. When I think of it, my eyes also go to other films. Black, तारे ज़मीन पर, हिचकी, Super 30, Rough Book and Arakshan. There are such excellent films in which teachers are described as idle. दो दूनी चार, Chalk and Duster, Stainless Tiffin Box, नील बटे सन्नाटा, पाठशाला and Moms has drawn attention on various aspects of education. Hundreds of more films are found which testify that cinema is not enemy of education or teachers. However, if we look at the ratio of numbers, only the films that disrespect the teachers will be in the majority. Then, what to do about these films? Either keep your eyes closed and keep your mouth open to laugh, or get involved to the campaign where people start calling you revolutionary. One more way we can follow, called Madhyam Marg by Bhagwan Buddha. Stay alert on such films and keep on ringing with your mobile or computers. If you find anything objectionable, let your expression be clear. If you have destroyed your Lakshmi by watching that film, then alert others. At least you can do this to protect the honor of your teachers. Which way you are going to choose? Please tell me in the comment box.